Live from Orlando, it's Hamcation. Hey there, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. If you've seen this particular clip before, it's because I'm using this as a generic open. That way I don't have to, I can cut between different things and make it easier to edit. So I hope you enjoy the content that's coming up for you right after the opening sequence. All right, so back here at Hamcation 2026, we got Rokland here. Rokland is a big-time provider of Meshtastic products, and they'll do mesh core as well. You just got to flash them right. But got a dev kit here for 35 bucks. Check out this little portable solar node. This is phenomenal. So White's Mesh Repeater Mini, little solar panel on the front, great little antenna. You can see it's connected to this tablet right there. And then over here, you have the Pocket. The Pocket solar node is the Pocket S.
So that's a great option.
$79 at the show. Really, really cool. Come back over here. It's got the Wise Mesh, which are $50. Those are very comparable to the Seed Studio T1000.
For all devices, even if
matter of fact, right here's one of them.
everybody's got the same password.
So not translucent, just like the Seed Studio T1000, but still same concept. Wise Mesh Pocket. And those are $89. And this is the Cypher M8K. It's a standalone mesh node built on the Lily Deck T-Deck, I should say. And you can see it's a similar platform, of course. These are $149. If you are interested in this, check out Rokland. Rokland.com.
I think that's great. That's what we have a friend that was